Hello, it's Darren again. I want to talk to you about something called flat design. Flat design. I don't know if you've kept abreast of the evolution in design and design trends over the years, but I think you'll find nowadays that most websites have a 2D flat look to them where they avoid shadows and gradients. For example, if I just click on this link and go to my Office 365 sign in, you'll see that everything is quite, well, flat, very simple. Less is more in design, and space has value, and there's maximum communication, but the minimum means of doing so. Let me show you something. If I show you the evolution of the Google logo, look how it was in 1998. It was a serif font with shadows and exclamation mark, but the next iteration simplified significantly. The next iteration got rid of the shadows, and finally we have the logo that we know in 2018, which is a sans serif with no shadow whatsoever. This is flat design. Now, my theory as to why design has evolved in this way is that, well, for a start, technology has become more sophisticated. We've had the iPhone already, which made simple beautiful, and the internet is busy, it's noisy, it's irritating, it's annoying. I mean, you go on some websites and they look like a bloody fruit machine with autoplay videos and everything vying for your attention, whereas the good websites tend to cut through all of that and just go for something simple. Let me show you DreamHost. Okay, pretty simple. Very few images, lots of icons. See these icons? They're more like pictograms, that they're more like symbols rather than images. If I show you the Ilkeston web design site, how it looks today, notice how everything looks pretty simple and flat. Notice how these social media buttons are just basic squares. Now compare that to how the Ilkeston web design site used to look, and look at the social media icons. They're actually full images with inset shadows and gradients and things like that. Look at the logo, there's lots of inset styles and things. Just to go back to what it looks like today, much simpler, much quicker to load as well, less taxing on the server. It's easier to look at, it's easier to read. Bold, bright colours, a limited palette, action colours for anything that's clickable. So this purple violet colour is used wherever anything needs to be clicked. It's sending a subtle instruction to the user.